Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. Today is 28th of February 2024. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host today. Please don't forget that the meeting is recorded. I believe we can skip introductions and go directly with the reminders. If you'd like to have the project, then please check out the issues across the whole project that has the Help Wanted label. If you pick that issue and work on it, that would help the project a lot. If you feel your organization would benefit by adding itself as an official adopter, you just have to create a PR and modify the adopters.md file in the community repo, in the root of the community repo, and add your organization as an official adopter, and that would help us greatly. Also, if you have some issues with the CI, you see tests failing, then feel free to create an issue in any of the repositories and link it to the Metal3 CI tracker project. That makes tracking it easier. And if you are interested about either the starts or the incubation proposal or the 2024 team meetup documents, you can find the links for all of this here in the notes. And as we get closer to the KubeCon, I think I will. Oh no, we actually have the Shed event also here. So if you are interested about the KubeCon events related to the project, then just check out the Shed, the KubeCon scheduler app. Yep, I think that's all about the reminders. We don't have any pending issues, so we can continue with the working group updates. I see that from Dimitri there are no news. Hui is not participating today, so the only one from that group is Mohammed. Do you have any news related to this iron scalability?
No, there is no updates for this week.
Thanks. Then we can continue with the discussion topics, and there is a few approval and review requests from Dimitri.
Thank you. So the first one is that large item to stop using Ironic Inspector by default in the deployment scripts. It requires an approval from somebody who has approval rights, which is a cache for Zane or Honza, and I'm so far struggling to find this brave person who will do that. Then after that is done, I hope we can do it before the next release. There is a documentation update that will stop mentioning Ironic Inspector.
Is that update this one?
Yes, that's the one.
I will take a look.
Thank you.
And then you have another topic.
Yeah, it's small one, but I was just working on cleaning up dependencies, and that led me down a rabbit hole because I realized that although we require Go 1.21, the end-to-end tests use Go 1.20. And I tried bumping that, and then I'm hitting some really weird problem with dependencies. So if somebody could know a bit more about end-to-end tests, could take a look why it fails and maybe provide some guidance. Or just update it, because we recently landed an update to 1.21.7, but the end-to-end tests still don't use that. So just check the failed job if you have any ideas what happened there.
Can you? Ah, yes. Okay.
So yeah, now that I've updated Go, it does this, whatever this means, probably some outdated dependency.
Could it be? This is when building the container, I think. Could it be some like old version for the container that we start from?
If you ask me, I don't know.
Yeah, it was open question, I guess. I will try to take a look at this PR.
Thank you.
Thanks, Leonard. Okay. That was the last one. Is there any topic and any question, any further discussion on any of these? I wonder if there is anything that we should discuss. No, nothing comes to my mind. Quickly check the chat.
So quick question. The incubation topic. So it has been in this state since early January. Do you know what the next steps are, or we just wait and wait and wait?
Yep, exactly. That's the next step. Kashif asked them because we were not clear on the steps, and he asked the CNCF representative that should we go and look for a sponsor, and they said no. From this year, it's just that we have to be in the queue, and then when they have time or reach us or in the backlog, then they will do everything. So that's all.
Interesting. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. I think there are nothing else. I wonder when the Project Lightning talk will be visible on the schedule, because we have that also. But for that submission for the topics, or the deadline for the submission of the abstract was yesterday. So I don't know when that appears on the schedule, because the schedule finalization for KubeCon was on the 23rd of this month. So I don't know if that will just randomly appear or not, because then I could put the link here.
I think there is a placeholder for it. I saw somewhere Project Lightning talk. Let me see if I can find it. No. I'm pretty sure there was, yeah, CNCF Project Lightning talks. That is on, what day is this? Tuesday at 9.
Okay.
I can, how do I link to this?
I think I found it. It's March 19th, Thursday, from 9 to 5:30 in the afternoon, right? This one.
Yep, that's the one.
Okay. I will put it here. I was also trying to find something, because my memory was that we had some deadline for tomorrow, but I haven't found any document saying anything about a deadline on 29th of February. So I'm not sure, because I thought we had to present or send or submit the I call it the workshop presentation, but actually no, it says that all the presentations should be submitted by 20th of March. So yeah, and I haven't found any other info about that, and I haven't got any other reminder. The CNCF actually sent reminders about what the kiosk and the lightning talk and everything. There should be a speaker stuff here somewhere. Attend. There. And speakers. Oh, there was another document anyways. But I hope you haven't seen anything, any deadline for tomorrow. If you see something on this website, then ping me. But I think we are okay with everything. All the stuff was confirmed, and we got an email about those. So I guess everything is fine. Okay, is there anything else that we should discuss? Okay, if nothing, then thanks for your time and attendance. Let's meet next week, and I hope we will have a bit more topics by then. Yep, see you. Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thanks,
Yeah,
everyone.
bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm